Your root for tonight is psi, which means to know, and it is a Latin root. Your first word is science. This is the study of the natural world based on facts learned through experiments and observations. So if you think of science class, you're learning about facts that have to do with the natural world, the world around you, and you do that by making observations and by conducting experiments. Conscience is your next word, and this is the part of the mind that tells you certain actions are right or wrong. Someone today talked about a good example of this is Jiminy Cricket in the movie Pinocchio. And Jiminy Cricket helps Pinocchio think about whether things are right and wrong, and he plays the role of Pinocchio's conscience. So if you're not familiar with that and your parents say it's okay, you might want to go on YouTube and just search for Pinocchio and conscience or Pinocchio and Jiminy Cricket, and you can see a great example of what a conscience is. The next word is omniscience. This is to know everything. So kind of a question that might be interesting to think about is, would you really want to know everything? Would that be really cool, or would it be really overwhelming to know everything? Bioscience is any of the life sciences. This word is kind of like the word biology, which is another one of your spelling words. It has to do with living things. Next is geoscience, which is earth science. This is related to your word geology. And conscientious is your last word. This is to be very careful about doing what you are supposed to do, concerned with doing something correctly. Someone today said that you should be very conscientious about your station work. So you should be very careful about doing what you are supposed to do. I thought that was a really great use of that word. So for homework, I want you, on your paper, there's just lines. Go ahead and write things that you know about science, some facts, or facts and things that you have learned through science observations or experiments. So think about the word science and the definition and write some reflections on that.